Hello, you beautiful students and parents. This is another episode of Uncle Code Review, and we're gonna review another student code, and that is happening just now. Hello, Maysam and Ash.
Hello,
Hello.
how are you?
I'm
Hi,
very good. How are you
Mikael.
guys?
Good.
Very good.
That was a very energetic introduction.
You're welcome. Okay, Ash. Let us know who the student we're gonna go through his her code today.
All right. So today is actually quite interesting. One of our students way back in 2018. His name is Mikail, and now he's 12 years old.
Wow.
See, he's in the K room.
Joined before COVID. Now
Yeah,
we review
Yeah.
his code after COVID. That's great,
Yeah.
Mikhail. So we're gonna go and review your code, Mikhail. Are you ready, Mikhail? I don't know about Mason and Ash, but they seems ready. I hope
Ready.
you also ready,
we are
Mikhail.
ready. We are always ready.
He says yes, I'm ready. So I'm gonna share my screen. I have two codes here. One is the web, and the other one is Python, right?
Yes.
I think most of them are
Okay,
back.
okay. So now my screen is there. Yes, you can see my screen.
Yeah,
Okay.
Yes.
So I already run the code. Do you have anything, Mason, before I run the code?
that's fine. Let's go.
I'm gonna run the code again. Oh, well, it's like that. Okay. So we do have two square, nice, two colors, red and blue, and let's go through the code. So I'm gonna go through your code, Mikhail. I want to see what you've done, Mikhail. So here, just you created your usual tutorial, and that's thank you, Mikhail, by choosing Tom rather than Mikhail. Imagine here was Mick. And then the color is red. Width is 2 and 150 speed. You know, speed is 100. I know you. I'm gonna make you disappointed to tell you that the 100 is the max. The 100 is the max. I'm so sorry for that. But you can watch some of my other code review videos that I discussed about how you can make it super
Mm,
fast, faster than the light.
Yes.
No, what is that? What is the name of that particles? They keep talking about it in movies. Faster than light. Techion. I think. Yeah,
that's
so it's like
true.
that. So that imaginary particle that can travel faster than the light. So you watch, you're gonna figure out. And then here we have a begin fill because you want to fill, okay, and then 4 because it's square, 90, 100, and the end. And then you move, tilt a little bit 60-degree, and then you go for the second one. That's great. And remember, Mikhail, that whenever you see something is repeating, whenever, every word, okay, you see something is repeating, let me bring this color also here. When you see something is repeating, then you have to start to think, I don't want to just repeat this again and again. I want to just make it simple and short and fast because I am programmer, and that's what we're going to do here. I see that this part is repeated twice. You see it, guys? Just the color changed.
True.
So what we can do it in many different way. I like to pick up the color and I write here that red, and the next is the blue, and let's go for the third one. Make the French flag. Let's go for white. Which one is first? Red, white, and blue, right?
I don't remember.
So it should be.
Yeah.
So then, so we're gonna just get your code and press that lovely tab key, and that's all. Very fast, and then you can remove the bottom of the code. No code, nothing else. And
Mm,
now
much shorter.
we're gonna run it. Let's
Yeah.
see what we're gonna have here.
Oh,
Oh, I forgot about the color. I just made all of them red. This should be called, it should be called color. Yes, now we got this. Cool. So you can make it more colors. You can just do a lot of other stuff. Do that, and then you see that the loop is good. Let you to do more with less. Remember this, Mikhail. Remember, everybody. Keep repeating. Do more with less. Do more with less. Do more.
two more with
Do
less.
more
Do
with
more with
less.
less. Do more with less. That's technology. That's coding. Means do more with less. That's why we need technology in our life in future, because we like you to do more with less, and you have more time to do other things. That's really fun.
Make it
Okay,
fun.
so this is about his Python code. Well done. We go for your web code.
We can make it. Yeah, UncleCode. Let's make it
Tell me.
negative. Maybe tell you right.
I'll go. Yeah, I can do
Yeah.
go right. Yes. Well, I will change this to given this one.
Yeah.
Okay, right. Minus 60.
Oh, no, I want to with the other way.
You want to 60?
Yeah.
Okay.
That's too much.
Nice.
Because
So
the
you
original
you
was-
find this direction more pleasant to your eyes?
Because no, the task, the one he was creating, this was the front one was, like that.
Oh.
Yeah, I think 30 degrees should be 30 degrees. When I follow the task as it was,
30.
yeah, now it's look like that.
Mikail, you can just do something like that. Multiple 2,
Are you?
multiple 3, and multiple 4 is good because it's gonna give us 12.
Yeah.
So
No,
that's what
yeah.
we got. See,
Who's
there are another way to do the repeat also in Python, especially. It's just this, that's always I dazzle. First, I remember one of the first few things that I liked in Python was one of them was this. I remember the other one was this switching to variable. I always these are like a kind of memory never get out of my brain. So we go for your web code. Web code. Web drinks I like. Yeah, let's see your drinks.
Nice.
You like Milo, hot Milo or icy one, Michael? Please let me know. Soya bean, ooh, good. Soda, Coca-Cola, Sprite, 100 plus. I am fan of 100 plus, right, Mason? When we play football,
Yeah, the football.
then we go and drink 100 plus. We go football to just drink 100 plus. And learning materials, books. The Boy Who Fooled the World. Wow, that's great. You read books. Awesome. That's good. Keep doing the same things. And Missy 10A plus. I don't know about this book. You guys know about this book?
Neither of them.
Ash, you know
No.
about this book?
No, I haven't heard of it.
So we're gonna search about it. And TV shows. What TV shows? Oh, The Loud House, Amphibia, and We Bear Beer. We Bear. Oh, We Bear Beer.
Oh, we bear bears.
Yeah. Okay. Those three.
They're they're so cute.
Okay. And
Is it supposed to be under the TV shows?
true. That's something. Something is
Yeah.
wrong there. So something is wrong with your TV shows. And then let's see what is going on here. You see that the editor shows you some, helper to say that there's something wrong here. And I don't know why you put HL, but I think it's a mistake in type or something because you put here the UL. So this should be you and you, not he or she. So I'm gonna run it.
Yeah.
Oh,
That makes
dear.
sense. That's great. Very good. You see the H1, nice. The H. I suggest. There's something that I suggest to every web developer, especially you, Mikhail, that use H1 only one time. H1 should be for the main title. When you open an article, has only one title. You never see two titles. It's a confusion. But you see subtitle. For example, here web is the main title, but drinks I like, learning materials are subtitles. So you're gonna go for H2, headline 2 for them. And also this one and this one, and I run it. Okay, this looks better first of all. But Google search engines, or Google crawlers, they love this. Google crawlers are those kind of bots, robotic things in the software stuff that they crawl to your web page and read content from your web page and then let all universe search to know what is your favorite drinks. People search Mikail favorite drinks and then the Google knows is here. But Google likes this approach that you use one H1 because it shows the title, and title should be relevant by the way, but your title is not that much relevant. Web, I don't know what is the web, and this you may write my web blog, my web article, or my personal profile, something like that. Great, very good. So you do have now your web page ready to be deployed and get 1 million user traffic, and to let people know. I guess you're an influencer. Maybe one day you will be, and that's your French fries Geoff lover. Okay, well done. Very good. Very good. Very well.
Very good.
And then, so everyone, are you ready to say something to
Yeah.
Mikhail?
Yes.
No.
Always
Mikhail, let me
ready.
check. Yeah, he's ready. He's ready. So,
Yes.
Mikhail, we're here to tell you something very, very, very important, and that is that Daddy says that you are programmers.